And hey, beautiful people, it's Rickita. I'm back with another video. So in this video, we're going to talk about the Toyota credit card. Now, this is a credit card where they actually have I will call it like a store card, but then they also have a Visa, I believe it is. We're going to look at the website. But there were people that said they actually got approved. Somebody said they was able to get approved for $10,000. Another person $2,000, $1,000, and then $1,000 here. Now, a lot of times when you guys come to my website, which is what we're on right now, Rickita.com, you can search right here and look up all the different credit cards on my website. And when you look up all the different credit cards on the website, you'll be able to see other people that was able to actually get approved for these credit cards. And hopefully you'll see how much they got approved for so that you can try to see what your credit limit is going to be when you actually get approved for it. This is a great card if you guys are trying to maybe improve your utilization. This can be a great card for you. I also think that this can be a great card for those people that just want to get credit cards because they want to build their credit. Now, let me come back and say something. If you're trying to build your credit, don't be like me because I have a few credit cards I have to record. I know about them. I got approved for them. But if you don't use your card, and I usually tell people in a year, use your card. If you don't use your card, there's a great chance where they're going to close your account and they're going to put closed due to inactivity, and you just don't want that. But at the same time too, don't force using it at the same time too, so keep that in mind. But they can close your account due to inactivity, so I want you all to definitely be careful about that. But this should be an easier approval for you. When you come to my website, you can be able to see the video. That's most likely this video. This is the older video. I want to make sure I update it all the time. So this, you'll see the newer video. You can apply for the credit card right on my website too. And then you can get a free downloadable guide here. And then you guys, if you guys have problems getting approved for credit cards or anything like that, definitely sign up for exclusive credit membership so you can see exactly what you have to do to increase your credit score so that you can get approved for the credit cards or the accounts that you want to get approved for. Now, I have a little bit about Toyota credit card here, but this is the part that I like. Toyota, as far as I'm concerned, they're going to pull your Equifax credit report, and they're going to report to all three credit bureaus. They used to be able to pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry, but honestly, I was not able to find it anywhere. I don't know where that went, but I cannot find it anywhere. And you shouldn't have an annual fee, but make sure you all double check that. So let's actually go to their website because I have it here. We can just click on it here. Let's go to their website and see what it actually looks like, because on their website, they have a certain type of credit application, because I want you guys to be aware of things like this. So let's actually go to their website together. And my computer is kind of slow, so please bear with me. So when you go to the website, you used to be able to pre-qualify for it, but now they say just apply. And then they also talk about the benefits. But I want to show you all this. So click right here on apply, because when you apply for credit cards, I want y'all to keep in mind these different things when you apply for a credit card. So let's see. So right here, if your credit is frozen, you will need to lift the freeze to continue. And then they're telling you to unfreeze your Equifax, your Experian, and I believe they're going to pull Equifax. But since they're saying unfreeze your Equifax and Experian, you can only assume that they may pull both of those. And then Innovis, and then your SageStream/LexisNexis. That's a lot to me. They're asking for too much. You gonna get one credit report about a million. You gonna call it a day, because that is a lot. But Equifax, Experience, Innovis, and I hope I even send that right, SageStream and SageStream/LexisNexis. And then they're asking for your phone number, last 4 digits of your social, and then also your zip code. Now, as far as I'm concerned, when they tell you to lift the freeze off your credit report, as far as I'm concerned, I'm thinking about them actually just doing a hard inquiry. We can only assume that. So please be careful, because I understand that in previous videos, and then other YouTubers are out there saying that pre-qualification, but I just personally can't find the link. And I just want to be honest with you guys. If I can't find a link, then I just think it's not there anymore. And I just can't take a chance with applying for a credit card if they're going to give me a hard inquiry. So I just want to keep you guys aware of that, because this was a great credit card because you could pre-qualify for it. So let's actually go back to my website. Now that we've seen that, that's the biggest thing I wanted you all to see when it came down to this credit card. But again, here is the prices of my exclusive credit membership right now. I have it open now. It's technically March 2025 when I'm recording this. I'm gonna probably have to slow down my membership so that I can focus on the people inside of my membership. I don't want it to get too crowded. So get in while you can. And then I have the credit 101 course where you guys can learn about credit. So definitely check that out. It's over 40 different downloads in there, and it's $1 try to get in. Now, this is the part I want you guys to see. I have to get all of that stuff out the way. Like the Lexus Pursuits credit card is just like the Toyota credit card. Also, the Yamaha Financial Services. These credit cards are good for those people that want to get higher limits, to help with their utilization. Maybe you really want to have the Toyota credit card. I have the GM Rewards, but I don't have a GMC. I have that credit card, but that is a Visa, I believe. So that's why I have it, because it's Visa. But maybe you just want to get the credit card in general. I have on here, and I don't know exactly where it's at. Maybe we can click on it right here, because I really want you guys to understand this. I have on here where somebody said they was able to get approved for it, but it's a certain order you want to apply for them, because you can actually get two. So let me see if I have it on here. Oh, somebody that I don't see it on here, but somebody said they got approved for the Lexus, but got denied for Toyota. So that's good to know for some people. So if you get the Toyota, you might get the Lexus, but I heard that you got to do them in a certain order. So I do not have it on here anymore. I don't know where I put it at. Somebody put a comment on here about that. So maybe when you apply for it, try to apply for the Toyota first, and then the Lexus credit card. And then maybe you will be able to get approved for the credit card. Hopefully, that's what I will hope, that you'll be able to get approved for it. And actually, let me see. I have a few approvals on here, and I think I believe that this is a very important topic. So let me see. I really want you guys to know this, because you can get two credit cards at one time. I was approved at the dealership, but not for the Visa for $3,000. Thank you. This does the Lexus. Okay, that's not it. Oh, see, look, I told y'all I had it. Oh, I still got it. Okay, so somebody said you got to get approved for the Toyota first, then the Lexus. So again, y'all can see like right here at the bottom, apply for the Toyota credit card first. Apply for this first, and then you should be able to get the Lexus Pursuits credit card. So that is good. I do have it there. I need to add it to the website, but still, I'm happy that you all are able to even see that. So definitely apply for the Toyota first, and then come to the Lexus Pursuits, because you might get it. That is good. And always on website too, you see how, let me actually go back there. You see how on all of these credit cards, again, you can search it right here on my website, right? You can search all the different credit cards, so you can see other people that got approved for them. You see how I got approvals here for the Lexus Pursuits. That's really good. And then also you can see similar credit cards for all of the credit cards on my website. So if you get approved for one, hopefully you'll get approved for the other. I also have these lists here where it's lists that's catered to certain things. This is my favorite list, the pre-qualify with no hard inquiry. That's a list of credit cards and loans that let you pre-qualify with no hard inquiry. And then also the best credit cards for bad credit students, best credit cards in general, best credit cards for travel, to build credit, gas, rewards, and cash back. So I have all of these different lists, so definitely check it out. And then we also have the free letters. All you have to do is complete steps 1 through 5. We'll actually create letters for you, and we will email them to you, and you can mail them out. But we can also mail them out on our end too if you want us to mail them out for you. But the 5th step is literally to call us after you do the first 4 steps. So go ahead and do the first 4 steps, and then we'll create those letters for you. You don't have to pay anything for us to actually create the letters for you and plug in all of your information. So all you have to do is literally mail it. Now, I want to make sure you guys understand this too, and I'm being very, very serious. If y'all sending out any letters to these credit bureaus, these collection companies, whoever, if you battling anybody about your credit, make sure you guys send everything out certified mail. Like, I cannot explain this enough. I really want you guys to stay on top of sending everything out certified mail, because you need to have a paper trail. So if you ever have to go after them for whatever reason, them probably not doing their job, then you will be able to say, hey, I did send you the letter, and here is a certified receipt to say when I sent it to you. Because if you just say, oh, I sent you a letter, you have no proof. I'm not an attorney giving legal advice, but I know for myself, it wouldn't have. They say, I think that's my daddy. It don't fly like that. That's what. Oh my gosh, I'm turning to my parents. Okay, that's my daddy. It don't fly like that. It's not gonna work like that. So just make sure you stay on top of your stuff. And don't forget, I have my exclusive credit membership with the $1 trial. So I'm very busy right now, you all. I have a lot of stuff going on, and I'm very happy on the progress that I'm making with everything I have going on. I have to start studying for my LSAT. So I'm gonna start studying for my LSAT. I want to make sure I have at least a 165 on my LSAT. But I want to know, where are you guys at right now with your credit? Are you applying for different things? Like, where are you guys at in terms of your credit? What are you guys applying for? What other videos would you guys like? Right now, I'm getting through my credit card series. I'm almost done with all the different credit cards. Hopefully, I have this all done by May 2025. I plan to do this every year, update on all the different credit cards that's out there. But I plan to be done again by May 2025. So give me some suggestions on what you guys want me to talk about, because my daughter is taking a teen finance course. I'm doing personal finance during the summer too, in college. So I know we're going to have a full-on finance course, and I'm so excited too, just to make sure, I'm making sure I'm doing everything correct, and I just make sure I multiply everything, because I did the business and things like that, learn about the financials of companies and stuff like that. But I want to make sure I do personal finance. But what you guys want me to talk about? What problems are you guys having right now? Because we can probably talk about it. I can tell you a few things that you could probably do. But definitely let me know where you guys are at right now. Call or text us. You could call us at 407-374-2747, or you can call 833 Rickita also. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Definitely let me know where you guys are at. And I hope that you guys are having a great 2025, because we're already in March. If you guys are watching this when I put it, I hope you guys are having a great year so far. Bye-bye.